Welcome to the in front of you POCO M5S, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box, and the first thing which we can see that is the protective case, the silicone protective case, the clear one. Okay. So what's the next? Here we can find also the USB Type-C cable, the charger brick, Xiaomi original charger brick with all of the specs, and also in this paper box we just can see the SIM jack tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, warranty card, and the safety guard. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.